ना कुछ महीने पहले मैंने केकाई सेंसेने के ब्लड ब्लॉकेट बैटल फ्रंट के ऊपर एक वीडियो बनाया था एंड आई सेड इट वाज अ प्रीटी गुड एनिमे बट आई डिड नॉट एलैबोरेट मच एंड इट वाज अ स्पॉइलर फ्री रिव्यू. दिस इज मोर लाइक ए स्पॉइलर रिव्यू सो यू कैन वॉच द स्पॉइलर फ्री रिव्यू जो मैं काफ़ी इंग्लिश में इंग्लिश झाड़ता हूँ बेसिकली मैं उस वीडियो में. तो एक बार मैं इंग्लिश झाड़ना शुरू कर देता हूँ देन आई कैन गो गुड. बट एनीवेज वो वीडियो चेक कर सकते हो इफ यू वांट टू हैव इट. बट मैं यहाँ पे अभी केकाई सेंसेन वापस बना रहा हूँ बिकॉज I guess a lot of people don't really get influenced by spoiler free reviews. I guess which spoiler reviews might work. Now, first of all, like केकाई सेंसन है क्या तुम लोग को बेसिकली बता देता हूँ. इमेजिन कि मैन इन द ब्लैक का वर्ल्ड एक रियलिटी हो जाए and imagine that aliens humans they live okay they live together and they are all in a single space of species like हर तरह का species एक ही जगह पे है अलग अलग टाइप के species है and there is also humans around and like imagine that kind of world and everything like this post-apocalyptic New York City and everything like imagine that they call it a Hellsalem Asylum or whatever that is. Hellsalem Asylum, whatever is that. I think so. That's the name of the city. I forgot what the city's name is. Okay, like remember Hellsalem because I remember that that's a name. But हमारा main character is Leonardo Watch, a really interesting character and one of my favorite characters for one of the very like one of the reasons I love this series is because of Leonardo Watch because Leonardo Watch is this type of character जो तुम्हें बहुत पसंद आएगा even though he doesn't have anything special and he just have these eyes that are special to him. And now I say he doesn't have anything special but he has special eyes. That does not make any sense but जब तुम series देखोगे it makes sense क्योंकि those eyes that he uses are pretty much just used to track people with supersonic speed or like use it like a tracking device or use it like some kind of like x-ray visions and everything like those kind of stuff. Other than that combat के हिसाब से that those eyes are not made to be specifically strong with combat and everything. As the series progresses you guys will know about it a lot. They are called the god's eyes or something like that. I don't remember because season 2 में उसका revelation होता है. But continuing on, Leonardo Watch is basically here. He wants to find out about these eyes and wants to return this eyes to his sister, who is also kind of blind and who sacrificed even her eyes, just like Leonardo did for her. So this is kind of a back story of Leonardo and kind of a origin story जो थोड़ी देर बाद हम लोग को पता चलता है later on in the series. Secondly, Leonardo is found by a few group of people, crazy people. Yeah, they are agents basically, and they all are here to basically serve justice, basically do secret agency stuff and everything, and be sure to protect this place that Leonardo is in, that is Hell Asylum, and they all do their job well. Yeah, I'm not even joking. And there is this one psycho villain who is the trope of this. Like you have this villain trope type of villain जो अपने villainous shit करता है and you know he's the villain, but at the same time you root for him. He's that type of villain, and I like him for that reason because at times he's helping our character, at times he's just doing villainous stuff. It's fun in that way, and I really like it. And also the villain kind of reminds me of very like जोकर टाइप ऑफ वाइब बोल सकता हूँ वो विलन देता है मुझे बिकॉज आई एम नॉट सेइंग आई एम नॉट कंपेयरिंग हिम लाइक कोट ऑन कोट जोकर बट एक वाइब मिलता है एक जोकर का जब मैं उसे देखता हूँ. As somebody who has read the Batman comics and I love the Batman comics, I can say that I do get the vibes of Joker from that villain, and that's the reason why it is. But at the same time, he's not Joker. Let me just remind you, because Joker is a complete maniac and I love him for that reason. But this guy is not a complete maniac. He has some kind of sense and brain, and he also helps our heroes at times. So that's why I'm saying that that guy is not a complete Joker. Just a vibe that he gives are like Joker. And he wants these eyes for himself and everything. Like you have this plot set up and everything in Hellside, and you know, like some of the stuff like in early stages setting up for the finale, and I love that कि वो धीरे धीरे करके finale पे set up करते, cause they don't rush through things. They give each and every character their own time of and day of their life. Like they give this silverhead character जिसका नाम मैं भूल गया completely. उसका listen man, I watched this series like 2 years ago. Like give me a slack. It's been almost 2 years since the last time I watched the series. So but the silverhead character, there is the silverhead character who is a Kalua after all, and he's our main character's main protagonist, like sidekick you could say. But even like you could say that the main protagonist is actually the sidekick, but still we all know who's the main protagonist and who needs to be the sidekick. So let's just be honest. But basically हमारा sidekick main protagonist जो है वो सिल्वर हेयर के साथ में साइड किक है, ऐसा समझ लेना. And they both go on their adventures for a few episodes and everything, and that's basically their part of story. We also get to watch the beer man Kuma. I really love that guy, the captain of the whole agency, and he's one of the most badass characters in this series. Okay, trust me, mark my words when I say he's one of the most badass characters, because this guy, he does some shit in the final episode that I absolutely love. Like this man does some absolute shit in the final episode, and ooh, I love it. I love it, especially the way the whole series of season 1 ends. I'm talking about season 1. Season 2 के episode 6 के around तुम लोग इसको catch up कर सकते हो, doing some shit in the past which is another cool shit, and I'm like yeah boy, let's go, that's it. And then after all season 2 के end में भी this man goes and does the some shit, crazy I like it. I like that guy. That's the reason why I like him. He's cool. He's a cool Kuma, okay? Cool Kuma. I love him for that reason. And yeah, you could say that I'm a cray cray for that guy because he's a great character, to be honest. And I think so. He's quite an underdeveloped character. If anything, that marks a weakness for me in him is that he's quite underdeveloped, because I don't know anything about this guy's past. The only thing I know is this guy faced a vampire in the past, and that's the only thing I know. Yeah, spoilers. I told you this is gonna be spoilers. Spoilers. So yeah, that's the only thing I know about this guy, and that's it. उसके अलावा मुझे कुछ नहीं पता है इसके बारे में. लिटरली कुछ नहीं पता. एंड दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई आई वुड लव, अगर सीजन 3 कभी बनेगा, आई वुड लव टू नो मोर अबाउट दिस कैप्टन, हाउ द एजेंसी फॉर्म्ड एंड एवरीथिंग, द लीडर ऑफ दिस एजेंसी, हाउ डिड ही कम टू बी, एंड लाइक आई लव टू नो ऑल दो स्टफ. It is something that will be quite interesting to see. All those aside, okay, all those things aside, uh, I have to admit the main character's badassness in even the first season's ending and the second season's ending. First season, he tries to save both black and white, and he definitely succeeds in that, and it's amazing how he does that. Like he really does it well, and I think so. It's one of the reasons why I love him, because this man, he does not use violence in season 1. In season 1 he never used violence, and that's the reason why I love him at the end of the episode, because at the end of season 1, and he just comes out, screams, and he says I'll save you. And like, you know, this man is going to go out and save this guy, but he's not going to use violence because he trusts them to be friends. He trusts the bond they have built in that whole 12 episode span of period, or 13 episode span of period जितने भी season 1 में है. And I like that whole period जो वो करता है, इस अपने main character trope को use करता है. And in the end वो सिर्फ एक छोटा सा speech देता है जो 4 मिनट का चलता है, and in the background you hear the opening and shit, and that's where I love this like whole shit going down. And I like it. I like that a lot, because just hear the opening in the background. It's stuck in your head, and it's just the one of the moments in this anime where yeah, you're just completely glued to your screen, just imagining what would happen next. And that's why I love that the end of season 1 the way it is, as well as end of season 2, where again ओपनिंग प्ले करता है, उसकी सिस्टर को वो बचाता है, एंड This time he uses violence. This time he actually uses violence because he knows his sister's life is in danger. He knew he wanted to save a life back then, and that's why he didn't use a violence. And he knew he wanted to save the life here as well, and that's why he uses violence. Even though he gets beaten up, getting roughed, like this man was under manipulation. He had no chance whatsoever, and he created a chance because everybody, the all-seeing eyes, was looking after this guy, and he wanted the eyes of both of them, the main villain of season 2, and he was there to take it all. But the main character, he did not only think with like only bronze, he had the brains, and that's what I like about this character. He's not all about just like, yeah, fight, and he has his brains, and he has to have his brains, or else just he's just like a emotional character, then उसके पास कुछ रहेगा नहीं एक्चुअल में एज अ कैरेक्टर डेवलप होने को. And that's what we see throughout first and second season, because this man is not just all like fighting and everything, and he doesn't have anything special to share when it comes to fighting. But when it comes to like using brain, using like his eye power, like tracking people and all of that stuff, all of those good stuff, he is quite top on the chat. And that's quite the reason why I like him, because he does use quite some intelligence in the end game of season 2. एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई वांट टू सी सीजन 3 में क्या होता है आगे, कैसे बढ़ता है स्टोरी. एंड इट्स समथिंग दैट आई वांट टू डू. आई डोंट नो, मुझे बस केकाई सेंसेन के बारे में बात करना था, सिंस आई नॉट वांट टू स्पॉइल द एनिमे दैट आई एम वाचिंग करेंटली. एंड अगेन वो एनिमे मैं आज भी नहीं देखा, बिकॉज आई वाज जस्ट स्लीपिंग ऑल डे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. आई नो आई एम लेजी. एनीवेज, अगले एपिसोड में मिलता हूँ, जो भी करूँगा उसके. आई वाज सपोज टू रिकॉर्ड वैम्पायर मास्करेड टुडे, बट मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला, सो आई विल डेफिनेटली रिकॉर्ड इट टुमारो एंड अपलोड इट आफ्टर whenever this video is uploaded. उसके अगले दिन में आ जाएगा वो वीडियो, डोंट वरी. सो मिलता हूँ अगले एपिसोड में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर.